it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today we're covering Cup of Apocalypse. Now, let's get right to it. And before y'all wonder what kind of apocalypse, let's just say it's not the Marvel kind. Oh my god, my nose is itchy. Really itchy. Weird colors for Apocalypse, but probably soon validated. Yeah, it's like swallowing fire and dust. The taste is dry, scorched, and it burns all the way down. My chest feels like it's splitting. Something's wrong with my skin. It's not mine anymore. Whew, it is extreme details. And I think I see why. You look like Negan briefly with the nail bat. Now this is called a Vault Hunter, which I don't see anything that resembles anything with treasure, but that makes one different from another. Alright, that is Cup of Apocalypse. Enjoy this episode. Please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye. I keep forgetting to almost cover this, but this is what her mouth animation looks like. Man, you look like a psychopath. Oh my goodness.